Now we will talk about requirement related to the function that element does in the plant body. Classification on the basis of function. Okay. So what are the different classes जो है इसमें? The first class is of structural. Structural elements वो होते हैं which form the main body or the bulk of the plant body. In short, these are present in let's say जो cell wall हो गया वहाँ पे है, middle lamella हो गया वहाँ पे, or even scleroids, xylem vessels, phloem fibers, bast fibers, हर जगह. These form the main base or the strength or the supporting system of the plant. The second is that of enzyme activity. There are some elements which act as let's say promoters of enzyme activity. इनके absence में the enzyme may not function to its best of the ability. So some elements are required just for the functioning of enzymes, or yeah they form a prosthetic group with the enzyme जिसकी वजह से the enzyme's function is increased to many times. The third we come across is energy related. Energy related compounds वो होते हैं energy related elements which form a part of energy related compounds. Let's say जैसे ATP हो गया, ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So phosphate यहाँ पे है, phosphate derived from phosphorus. So phosphorus is an energy related element which is essential. And the last one is which maintain the osmotic balance. Okay, those elements which maintain the osmotic balance. Now structural element जो होते हैं like which we can say any bio जो बायोकेमिस्ट्री होती है प्लांट की और जो बायोकेमिकल्स होते हैं उनको जो बनाने वाले जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं which are known as structural elements. Okay, so we write it as structures or the structural component of biological or let's say biochemical compounds. इसके example is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, let's say nitrogen भी even होगा. Okay, so this is the example of structure. Next is enzyme activity. Enzyme activity हमने micronutrients में discuss करा था that micronutrients जो होते हैं they function as activators of enzyme. यहाँ पे the function is same, so here mostly micronutrients are included with enzyme activity. Enhance the role of enzymes. Enhance activity of enzymes. ओके, इसका एग्जांपल है जैसे वी हैव जिंक. जिंक इज एन एक्टिवेटर फॉर dehydrogenase, alcohol dehydrogenase. Iron is an activator for catalase. Okay, along with this, zinc is also this molybdenum we have, which is a promoter of nitrogenase. Okay, plus we have Mn2 plus or manganese. Manganese जो है, it has role in photolysis of water. Of photosynthesis. Okay, now we talk about energy related. Energy related वो है which have an important role in energy metabolic chains or reactions. जैसे we have they have a role in energy rich compound formation. Yes, they have a role in energy rich compound formation, and example is that of magnesium. मैग्नीशियम जो है इट इज वो क्लोरोफिल के पायरोल रिंग में सेंटर पीस का काम करता है, द सेंट्रल एलिमेंट. सो इट हैज रोल इन component of chlorophyll, so it has role in photosynthesis. Because as we know, photosynthesis can't be done in plants without chlorophyll. The second is phosphorus. So phosphorus जो है, it is very important element because it is present in ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. Just the energy currency of the cell, ATP. Plus it is also a component of DNA, etc. Okay, now we'll talk about osmotic balance. Osmotic balance बहुत important होता है plant में, because a plant has to maintain at times turgidity, at times it has to become flaccid. So how does it maintain the osmotic balance? And osmotic balance is also important because of transport करने में osmotic balance plays a very important role. So the first example we'll take is of K plus और potassium. Potassium जो है उसका role है maintaining it has role in turgor movements of the plant. और जो stomata में जो guard cells हैं, the opening and closing of them, it's also dependent on potassium. Because there was a theory, if you remember, that's of potassium mallet theory, which accounts for कि कैसे the guard cells open and close. Okay, so it is responsible for It is responsible for opening and closing of stomata, and it is also used for turgor, involved in turgor movements. Okay. Now the second ion here is chlorine. Chlorine, which is absorbed as chloride ion. So the chloride ion hai, that works with potassium ion and helps in anion cation balance in the cell and in the surrounding. So it works in anion cation balance. It has also role in photolysis of water. Okay. So as you can see कि जो function होता है, the based on function भी बहुत सारे divisions हो सकते हैं elements के. जो structural होते हैं, that is purely concerned with the products that are formed in the plant. जैसे middle amila होता है, that is made extensively of calcium magnesium pectate. So they form the structural elements. कुछ elements होते हैं which are very much related enzymatic activity. उनके बिना enzymes won't work, and without enzymes किसी भी biological system में जो metabolism के process होते हैं that cannot function at all. So these are very important. I can just mention the okay, it is Mn2 plus MO2 I guess, Fe3 plus Zn2 plus. Okay. And energy related जो compounds होते हैं that are important because they form the energy rich compounds here. And osmotic balance, that is important for maintaining the osmotic balance between the plant and the outside, between जो cells होते हैं उनके बीच में and interstitial fluid के बीच में, etc.